if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nose.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making some carrot oil, and some of the benefits of carrot oil for the hair is that it helps to grow your hair faster and also thicker. It also improves the texture, makes your hair shinier, smoother, and softer to touch. Some of the benefits of carrot oil on the skin is that it is a powerful antioxidant for aging skin. It has antibacterial properties to help with acne, and it also moisturizes the skin. We are going to be shredding the carrot as small as possible, and then we will be infusing it in these oils. So we have olive oil and black castor oil. We also have our vitamin E oil, and we also have some lavender fragrance oil. These are all oils that are healthy for the skin and also for the hair, so you don't have to worry. So stay tuned while I get these carrots shredded, and then we can continue with the video. Okay, so this is our shredded carrots. We're gonna put it in the container for it to be infused into the oil, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the carrot after I poured all the oils on it. So you should always make sure that the oil and the carrots are actually at the same level, or the oil is a little bit above the carrot, like you can see here, so that it can be infused properly. So stay tuned while I get this infused, and I will be showing you the end result in a few minutes. Okay, so this is the final product. We're going to add our vitamin E oil and our lavender fragrance oil.